I think your opening of the showroom in Vashi also, which we attended
Yes.
last time, that was also, I think that's really a flagship store over there.
Absolutely.
Can you tell something about that showroom
Yeah.
over there?
That is where we used to manufacture our wallpapers.
Okay.
So that's about 40,000 square foot area. 32,000 we've still maintained as a warehousing facility,
Okay.
and the front 8,000 square foot we've converted into a retail space.
Okay.
So that's what it is. 10,000 square foot is Worli and 8,000 square foot is this. Since we had it in 3 floors, wallpapers is on the ground floor, the first floor has furnishings and second floor has furniture. So that's the add-on.
You're tied up with somebody for the furniture over there?
Yeah, Living in Style in Goregaon.
In Goregaon.
We are wallpaper specialists and we choose to be just that.
Okay.
So it's better to tie up, associate,
Absolutely.
and build contacts and grow business together.
Are you looking to venture out into anything else associated with
Wallpaper specialist, there is enough that we can do just with one product rather than being a jack of 20.
Mona, since you're a very seasoned entrepreneur, what advice would you
Seasoned?
Yes, you're very seasoned.
I'm learning.
You're learning. What advice will you give to all the entrepreneurs out over here?
I loved what Madam said there. I loved what Sir spoke about. So I am learning. I'm not here to, not yet in a position to advise, but this power of giving is very, very strong. And don't always think what you're going to get out of it, but enjoy the experience of giving. And that somewhere, don't worry that today if I've given this, whether I'm going to get back from the same individual ever, it may or may not happen. But that giving will somewhere in this universe, come back to you and come back to you in a much better way. So, every year, since the last 5 years, we've been experimenting with this, and my father is right now writing a book on purpose of human beings on earth.
Wow.
So there are certain laws of nature that he's been talking about, and he says that this giving is very important, and don't worry where it is going to come from, but apne dil se do, sahi dil se do, and something somewhere will happen. So to our customers, since he turned 65 this year, we gave a 65% value addition.
Can you tell us something about the value addition?
Yeah.
Very interesting concept.
It's just a thought of giving, and everybody talks about discounts. We every day used to pass by this furniture wala at Worli on E. Moses Road before my showroom was getting made. Permanently there was a board of 60% discount, 70% discount, and not a single customer seen inside. And we used to worry that, at 70%, if people are immune, do they want things for free and then they would get in, or what is what? So discounts don't sell. Okay, so that's understood. We wanted to do a little more than that. So we did not want to discount what we gave. We wanted to value add. So since he turned 60, we've been doing this. When he turned 60, he said, okay, 60% value addition to the customer. He said 60% backward working, it's 36% discount. My franchisee gets 30. How do I fit in a 36% and still ensure that my franchisee also gets something out of it? Otherwise, why should he be working on it? And so on and so forth. So he said, don't ask me any questions. Okay, the amount of loss you make, you please tell me and I will give you a check on that. I want to give my customers, I want to thank them. Do not stop me, go ahead and give it full-fledgedly. Don't hide it. If a customer has not seen or heard about it and you say, oh, I'm safe today, that's not the way we want to take it forward. You inform, wo pakad ke har ek ko batao, and let everybody take an advantage of it. So the first year we said, okay, this is what he wants to do, we'll do it his way. Great experience, lot of positivity, so many customers coming to you saying, we want your wallpapers, which we've been knocking doors and no, all that. But the positivity that this brings in is amazing. Last year we did it on all the products. This year again, last year it was 64%, now it's 65%. People call up, that okay, your Founders Day, when is it? When is your scheme coming in? So there is positivity. Now after the scheme got over the first year and we said, oh, we've done this much business and this is the loss. He says, what's your annual turnover? What percentage of that is this? Do you really think it is a loss? And we said, okay, it's not really a loss. It's a great motivational factor You don't need to further motivate your sales staff into oh, there'll be customers and there'll be this is a busier time for us than it is during Diwali. And there's a great power in giving, and it's genuine. It's not that we try to hike a price and discount, and those false things people can make out. So don't get into those things. Person can take advantage of this at any time. Made a payment, he can buy it at any time of the year. So we can't change prices for a day or two and do those things. So there's great power in giving, and that is something that one has to see, that मैं इसमें क्या दे सकता हूँ, नहीं कि मुझे क्या मिलेगा, जो मिलना है वो आना ही है. There is no two ways. Destiny is yours and hard work is yours. That nobody can take from you. Rest, do things the right way, do things well, think good for others, and everything will be good.
I think your mom also is involved in the business in a very
My
big
mom
way.
handles the worst part of our business.
You should hear this.
She handles 100 plus laborers, and that's the backbone of the organization. So the 2-week holiday that she says I want to go on, everybody in that department sweats. So, but that's the human touch that she adds to the organization, and the karigars are just like small kids. They can come and say, and रात को काम किया और मैं बीमार पड़ गया तो कल हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती का पैसा आप दोगे. You know, even those kind of statements, and one has to accept it and laugh it out and still, take care of things and move on. So, all in all, our strength is labor, and labor is handled by her.
Great. Fantastic, Mona. Absolutely nice having you here.
Pleasure.
Thank you.